I've got here a 100 square and it contains the numbers from 1 to 100. 1 is defined as not a prime number. I'll explain separately why certain things are prime numbers and why they aren't, but for now we're just going to look at how we find prime numbers. So you just have to remember that 1 is not a prime number. The first prime number is 2. And what that means is all the multiples of 2 cannot be a prime number, because prime numbers are the numbers that do not appear in any multiple list or times table list. So if 2 is the first prime number, we need to get rid of all the multiples of 2. So I've moved the slider to the number 2 now, and what that has done is it's got rid of all of the numbers that are multiples of 2, all of the even numbers. So we've kept the number 2 because that is a prime number, but we've got rid of 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. The next prime number is 3, so we would kind of select that and say, yes, that is one of our prime numbers. But now we have to get rid of all the multiples of 3. So if I move the slider along, now we've got rid of all the multiples of 3. So 6, 9, 12, 15, they're all gone now. So number 4 is not a prime number because that one got wiped out when we were getting rid of the multiples of 2. And if we did get rid of the multiples of 4, which we can do, that doesn't really change things much because all of those were already multiples of 2 and we'd got rid of them anyway. Okay, so that means the next prime number is 5. So we can keep the number 5 in our list of prime numbers and we get rid of all the multiples of 5. So getting rid of the multiples of 5 means that we're going to lose all the multiples of 10 and all the numbers that end in a 5. So 15, 25, 35, they're all gone now. 6, well, that is already not a prime. We've already established that. So getting rid of the multiples of 6 isn't really going to change much. And now we can add 7 to our list of primes. So 7 is a prime number. And that means getting rid of the multiples of 7 is going to add a few more that we get rid of. And then we can get rid of the multiples of 8. Then we get rid of the multiples of 9, get rid of the multiples of 10, and then everything that is left here is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. So that's how prime numbers are found. We start with the 100 square. We get rid of the multiples of 2, but we keep 2. We get rid of the multiples of 3, we keep 3. We get rid of the multiples of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and everything that is left is a prime number.